I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clean up what appears in Google Photos on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your Google profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then tap Photo Settings in this menu. Step 3. Tap Preferences in the list of options. Step 4. Tap Photos View. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Show Content from Other Apps. With this feature toggled off, you'll no longer see images from other apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, screenshots, and more in your main Google Photos view. You'll only see photos and videos taken with your device's camera and anything you have backed up to Google's cloud. And to be clear, this content isn't deleted and it is just filtered out. If you want more control over what gets filtered out of being shown in Google Photos, you can toggle back on Show Content from Other Apps and then tap Customize by App. Tap any of the apps in this list to bring up a menu where you can customize what content from this app will be displayed in your main view in Google Photos. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.